Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Nano. First, ensure your device supports Gemini Nano and has the necessary SDKs installed. You'll need to set up your development environment, which typically involves Android Studio or a similar IDE. This easy method focuses on leveraging pre-built integrations or simplified APIs, making it accessible even for those new to on-device AI. We'll cover the initial setup steps to get you started quickly. To begin, open Android Studio and create a new project, or open an existing one. Verify that your target device or emulator is running Android 14, also known as Upside Down Cake, or a newer version. Next, you'll add the Gemini Nano SDK as a dependency in your project's build. Gradle file. This crucial step links your application to the powerful on-device AI capabilities, allowing you to access its features seamlessly. Make sure to sync your project after adding the dependency. Once your environment is ready, you can start implementing Gemini Nano features. First, initialize the Gemini Nano client within your application's main activity or service. Then, you can call specific APIs, such as those for text summarization or content generation. For example, you might feed a block of text to the model and receive a concise summary. Remember to handle the model's output gracefully, displaying the results to your users in an intuitive way, perhaps in a text view or a chat bubble. For more advanced usage, consider optimizing your model calls to improve performance and reduce latency. This might involve batching requests or pre-processing input data. Always prioritize user privacy, ensuring that sensitive information is handled securely and ethically. Gemini Nano also supports advanced features, such as multimodal input, allowing you to process images and text together. Experiment with these capabilities to unlock the full potential of on-device AI in your applications, providing a richer user experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.